The job market can be overwhelming, but finding a position in IT doesn't have to be difficult. Since the global pandemic, many roles have shifted to hybrid or work-from-home positions, opening the job market for many IT professionals. We have gathered some roles that you should consider if you're on the certification track for your dream job. These opportunities might be easier to find than you think. That isn't to say you won't need to work at upskilling and learning, but the barrier to entry for good-paying IT jobs has never been easier. The first is help desk technician. Help desk positions are a great place to start if you're new to IT. The average help desk technician provides first-line tech support to employees and customers with desktop support, remote diagnostics, and much more. Your primary responsibilities generally include diagnosing and resolving hardware, software, network, and other technical issues via the phone, email, chat, remote support, and various ticketing systems. Because of the amount of communication required, you will need strong customer service skills, as you will regularly deal with frustrated end users. If you want to get some practice and sharpen your skills, a help desk role is the place to do it. To succeed in this role, you'll need attention to detail, analytical thinking, excellent communication abilities, and fundamental IT knowledge. Pay rates for help desk roles vary as each company has different responsibilities and technical requirements. However, according to recent ZipRecruiter data, the average salary is roughly $48,000 a year. So your basic day-to-day responsibilities will include responding to IT inquiries, resolving technical issues, maintaining IT documentation, and connecting with other IT staff when complex issues arise. The critical point is that help desk roles are a pathway to more advanced positions. By earning certifications and gaining experience, you can level up to other roles like specialized technician, desktop support, systems admin, or network admin roles with higher pay. Help desk roles also open up opportunities to move into more technical roles, such as network or systems administrator, IT specialist, or even IT manager. Starting at the help desk also provides a holistic understanding of the business, giving you insights into how the organization works and making you an asset to your team. Next up is cloud engineer. This role has become very popular in recent years thanks to companies strategically moving to cloud services. Cloud engineers are in charge of the remote cloud infrastructure that organizations rely on to keep their systems running. With an average salary of $145,000 a year, reported by DICE in 2023, key duties as a cloud engineer cover a lot of ground. Your work in this role includes configuring cloud security and networks, ensuring optimal performance, troubleshooting issues, and managing day-to-day cloud operations. Many different cloud offerings are available, meaning you need experience with major cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. The job you apply for will list the company's preferred platform. Still, some organizations use a combination of services from different cloud providers, so just knowing about all the major players is a plus. You'll design and manage cloud environments, ensure system security and efficiency. You'll troubleshoot and liaise with clients or internal teams to keep the wheels turning. Other often overlooked skills that are very helpful for a cloud engineer include project management abilities, communication, and time management. These are important because you'll need to be able to work with multiple teams during deployments and upgrades, where various teams need to hit goals without going over their time or budget restraints. Now, the potential to become a senior cloud architect, cloud consultant, or move into managerial positions is all on the table with this role. Data analyst. Data analysts are the data whisperers, skilled at teasing out important tidbits of information and insights from oceans of data to help executives make important decisions. A data analyst uses cutting-edge techniques like statistical modeling, data mining, and analytics to spot trends and correlations inside complex data. This may include analyzing customer behavior, sales patterns, web traffic, operational metrics like uptime, and almost any other measurement. A fun part of this role is creating data visualizations and dashboards for non-technical people, using tools like SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Python to make a sense of these numbers through attractive graphs, charts, and interactive reports. When all is said and done, the data analyst's role is to bridge the gap between raw, nonsensical data and usable information that can be turned into business strategies. A data analyst's findings help businesses better understand markets, customers, and potential outcomes, and they speed up their growth. Glassdoor salary data suggests that data analysts earn between $53K and $75K in the US, making this career attractive for people who have or want to learn skills in SQL, Python, and statistical modeling. Information security analyst. Information security analysts are the first and last line of defense of a company's infrastructure. They lock down all sensitive systems and ensure only authorized users can access company resources. Cyber attacks have become commonplace, making cybersecurity a growing area for IT professionals looking to expand their skills. Duties range from configuring firewalls and penetration testing networks to enforcing security policies and responding to cyber attacks and other security incidents. Information security isn't always glamorous and exciting like we see in the movies, with a lot of the work focusing on prevention rather than mitigation. This means much time is spent on auditing logs, creating user awareness, and crafting reports for management. Now, this role is constantly evolving though, and analysts must monitor growing trends in cybersecurity and adapt to new threats like malware, ransomware, and phishing. To be successful, you'll need key skills in multiple areas of IT, such as network security, encryption, and analytics, and even also be good at problem solving, especially during incidents. If you want to enter this field, look at certs like Security Plus, CISSP, CISA, and CEH as starting points. Cyber threats are growing globally, making InfoSec roles a good place to look for job stability and good pay. The average base salary, according to ZipRecruiter, is $96,000 a year currently, which makes this a highly desirable profession for anyone interested in information security. Once you are established as an information security analyst, you have potential career paths like becoming a security manager, chief information security officer, or specializing in areas like penetration testing or cybersecurity consulting. And last but not least, business intelligence developer. BI developers create platforms that allow data analysts to extract data so leadership can make critical business decisions. Simply put, they build pipelines and platforms that provide visibility so organizations can make the most of their own data. The platforms they implement allow data analysts and other teams to transform raw data sets into analytic solutions like interactive reports, easy to understand dashboards, and predictive models. The whole process turns seemingly meaningless numbers into gold mines of information, enabling executives to spot crucial trends and opportunities they might have otherwise missed. On the job, BI developers may code a cloud-based pipeline in SQL, visualize sales funnels in Power BI, or review a click dashboard with stakeholders, or even translate business needs into a design document full of technical specifications for a potential solution. Again, strong analytical abilities and expertise in BI tools are needed to shine in this data-centric role. Over time, BI developers may specialize in certain data areas or move towards senior architect, manager, or even C-level roles, guiding enterprise data strategies. According to ZipRecruiter, BI developers earn an average of $111,000 in the US. You'll need skills in SQL, data modeling and ETL processes, and data visualization tools are essential. From here, you'll have the potential to advance to senior BI developer, BI architect, or roles in data management or analytics leadership that large enterprises need. Whether you're just getting started in IT and need to learn the ropes in a help desk role, or you're a seasoned IT admin looking to move up with your career, you have more options than ever. Putting your skills and knowledge to use is where the challenge begins. Learning how to upskill for these jobs is essential if you want to break into the market, and the right learning resources will help you get there. Check out all the courses CBT Nuggets has to offer. Like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.